My name is Catherine Hillier. I'm studying care practice degree, first year certificate of higher education. I've enjoyed every minute of this year. It's given me lots of confidence. Lecturers are really good at supporting. If you need any extra help, they're always on hand. You can always email them.
Claire's been amazing and she has really helped me through the course. You know, she's helped me to fill things out, you know, talk me through it. You know, I've had all the guidance. I think everybody's been brilliant though. If I've needed to message and say, please, can you just tell me, do I need to do this again? And I feel bad sometimes thinking, oh, I shouldn't be asking, but they don't make me feel that way.
The lecturers have been really good in offering any advice needed and support, understanding that as a mature student you have other commitments, family commitments, children, husband, other activities that you need to do. So all support has been on hand to ensure that you get the best out of the opportunity.
Returning to education has been difficult and challenging, but a good experience, yeah. Gaining knowledge and everything about policies and procedures, the NHS that I didn't know before.
Studying in the college has definitely opened opportunities up for me.
Anyone who's thinking about studying health and social care, I definitely recommend it. It's been a great opportunity, not only for personal development but academic development as well.
Future students returning, I would say it's an interesting course. You get lots of help and support from the tutors.
I would say to anyone thinking of coming to health and social care, do it. Because if I can do it and I haven't got any qualifications, I always thought I was no good to do anything, and I can do it. I've done it and I'm progressing. Anybody can do it.